Hello everyone, welcome to the third tutorial of Qt Creator. Now we're gonna uh, see how transitions and states work in Qt. For that we're gonna reference this code and see what happens when we use this, apply these states and transitions to our text. So what is our main goal in this tutorial? We want our text to move to the bottom of the screen, rotate and become red when clicked. So we are going to attach these properties to our text content component, right? So for tutorial, we'll go inside the text, and here we'll be creating some states and mouse areas. So we'll first add a mouse area to our text. Its ID will be mouse area. You can give it whatever you want. All you need is all you need it for is to refer to its properties from different components. So we are going to fill the anchor with the parent. So this mouse area will be available throughout the text, from the left end to the right, and from left bottom to the right top, from the left top to the right bottom. Each and every corner and the area of this text will be covered by the mouse area. So our click will be active throughout the space of this text. Let's create a state component. We'll name it as down. And when should the state be defined? When mouse area, that's the area defined for this text area, is pressed. Whenever this press signal is triggered, and when this happens, when you click or when you press a mouse button inside that area, what should happen? When mouse area is pressed, which is equal to true, then this property change should happen. And what should happen? Let's see that. Target is our hello text. Our hello text is target. Changes are to be made to this text. Its y coordinate will change to 160. It will move down from its 30 to 160 coordinate. Rotation will take place of 180 degrees, complete 180 degree rotation, and its color should change to red. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So now we have defined a state, and what should happen when the specific condition takes place. What kind of properties change? What kind of property changes should happen when the state is achieved? So for that, we'll specify some transitions. Like we want to add some animations to it. Else, otherwise, it would look simple. Let's run it without transitions. See, on click, it goes down and reverses, but you can see it's happening in a blink of an eye. You're not seeing any animation. It's just difference of 2 frames, right? If you want to make it more fluidic, more more animated, that's where transitions come into play. They help us add animations to our components. Okay, it's not required. Transition. Okay, from what state to what state are we going to do? Right, this is the final state, right? On clicking this, so we are not specifying any of the beginning state. We are simply specifying the end state. That's down. This is the end state. And is this state reversible? If you set it to true, yes. If false, then that state won't be reversed, which means that once you click or press the mouse area, and once that effect takes place of that text moving down, rotating and color changing, then you won't be able to bring it back up to its initial state if you set it to false. But now we are setting it to true, so it should again go back to its previous state to which it was initially set. So number animation, and what's that? Let's simply copy it. Okay, let's copy everything. So number animation is nothing but the duration of the y rotation and like the duration of the y and rotation. Y means change of the y coordinate from 30 to 60 and rotation of the text from 0 to 180, which will take place within 500 milliseconds. This duration is defined in milliseconds, and its animation style would be easing in out quad, and color animation would take place within 500 seconds. So we have specified 500 milliseconds for both of the animations. So if we simply run this text, see, I've clicked, it's gone down in a very fluidic way, and if I release the press, it goes back to its original place. If I set it to false and again run this and then click on it, you see it has gone, and I cannot bring it back to its same state, right? But yeah, in that case, when it is down, for this case, the mouse area is now accepting it as an initial state and that as a final state. So this is how QML takes place. The QML uses each and every component of the Qt Quick framework, and using those you can create a very great. You can create great applications for mobiles and desktop. It's a cross-platform framework, so you can use it and create nice UI-based applications. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.